It's a nature god, and it's made for men. It's hard to catch some fish.
I'm not the world's best fisherman. Starting to get a little pissed off. I haven't caught much today. Isn't like I thought it was. See, my favorite technique with fishing is you gotta speak to them like you were talking to a rhinoceros, you know. You can say slamma jamma, you know what I'm saying. Had to shave it clean. That's how I lost my third wife. Of course, by that, I mean the fishing is like young money. Yeah, it's not going well at all. See, the Indians, they used to use sticks as bait because they look like barracudas. And everyone knows that barracudas are what attract bass. Oh, I like that cast. Let it sit down in the glory hole. Just let it work over there. Feel it. Got another stick. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a big one. Ooh, good looking crappie. Oh, that's what we come out here for. Oh yeah. Yip, yip, yip. You know, you're probably wondering why I'm wearing safety glasses. I have no idea. God damn it. Then you gotta put up with that crap. This sucks. That's an old Indian trick that my mother's father's grandson taught me. If you can hear the wilderness, I mean hear, feel it in your soul. Yeah, right there. You know what I mean? The warmth in your heart will carry the fish to you. In this area of the world, there's not that many pythons. Not every day.
Here we have the wild bows in its natural environment. Using a tool it's made called a fishing pole, it attempts to gain prey in order to sustain itself in the wild. As we observe it searching, it slowly finds a spot to hunt and begins using what it has created. We must be careful not to scare the bows, as they are a very frightened species. Sometimes they've been known to cry at sad movies. We see it as it gently walks through the water scarcely searching for anything it could happen to sustain itself with. As it checks its surroundings, it's constantly listening for predators. We must keep our distance, being scared not scared. As you can see, we are quite a long way away, and even still I must keep my voice down, as to not arouse him. It appears the Bose has captured one of the fish it's after. Watch here, as he slowly pulls the hook out of his mouth. Such a simple creature, catching an even simpler creature. As he holds up his prize, he expects rejubilations from us. But callously, it is not what he wanted, and he chucks it back into the river, and begins again.
It's nature, God, it's made for man.